There you go, buddy.
There you go.
Spin. Good job. Sit and spin, buddy. Logan, can you say hi? Hi, buddy. What are you doing? Is that your helmet? You want to sit in the swing? Okay. Alright, there you go. Can you swing? Can you say hi, Nana?
Hi, Nana.
Good job. Say hut, hut. Is it done? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Logan, what does an elephant say?
Dad.
Both sides. Good job.
Oh, Dad.
Very good. Okay. Yay!
Oh, well.
Whoops. Need help? Good job. Are you going to play with your chalk? I don't know where your ball is. There it is. Wait, is that, do you want me to get it?
Mama.
Okay, just a sec. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
I love you.